Hello, everybody. My name is John Gonzalez, and this is my INTS 4350 oral presentation over my senior thesis project. However, my disciplines are human resource development, organizational leadership, and personal finance. However, I will use HR and org leadership within this research paper. First of all, I will tell you my title of my paper. Then I'll start off by reading the abstract and a little bit about my intro. That way, you get a better understanding of this paper. However, my title is Key Drivers for Implementing Innovative Technologies in Construction Organizations. I'll read off my abstract. That way, you have a better understanding. Industry 4.0 is a name giving for the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, which include cyber physical systems, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing. Industry 4.0 can be commonly referred to as the fourth industrial revolution. Technologies of this fourth industrial revolution are transforming society and reshaping our future. And the rise of new digital industrial technology is a transformation that makes it possible to gather and analyze data across machines, enabling faster, more flexible, and more efficient processes to produce higher quality goods and services at a reduced cost. The present and upcoming innovative technologies in this new manufacturing revolution can be valued to increase productivity, shift economics, foster industrial growth, and modify the profile of the workplace. Innovative technologies within Industry 4.0 can significantly benefit organizations by enhanced productivity through optimization and automation, real-time data for real-time supply chains in a real-time economy, greater business continuity through advanced maintenance and monitoring, higher quality products as a result of real-time monitoring, better working conditions and superior sustainability, and personalization opportunities that will learn the trust and loyalty of the modern consumer. However, despite the benefits of these new emerging technologies within this Industry 4.0, these technologies can convey many challenges from new business models, change management and leadership, genuine interaction of all departments, recruiting and developing new talent. There is, however, a need for accurate business process integration between Industry 4.0's technologies and the construction industry, so that firms can fully leverage from such trends. Based on review of the literature and empirical approaches, this interdisciplinary research will then create common ground by processing integration, creating agile work solutions from side-to-side concentrations in human resource development and organizational leadership to ensure proper implementation of current and future innovative technologies in construction firms. However, within this research paper, I also initiate current industrial 4.0 technologies and sustainable outcomes, and why adopting technology can benefit your organization. However, it is seen that construction productivity has persisted flat for decades, while various other industries have experienced vast increase of productivity, influencing profit margins and organizational effectiveness and achievement. The manufacturing industry, for example, has doubled productivity rates. Within U.S. construction, promptly at an all-time high, it's an interesting time for the construction industry as growth has been strong the past numerous of years. Unlike other industries, construction has seen little to no improvement in productivity over the past 8 decades. Rising material and labor costs, labor woes, increased competition of shrinking profit margins are some challenges construction firms face. A recent report from McKinsey & Co. finds that while many U.S. sectors, including agriculture and manufacturing, have increased productivity 10 to 15 times since the 1950s, the productivity of construction remains stuck at the same level as 80 years ago. Current measurements find that there has been a consistent decline in the industry's productivity since the late 1960s. Within these findings, it has been established that the construction industry faces many challenges when compared to other industries. Specific challenges that construction firms may obtain are stagnant productivity levels, and technology adoption. Stagnant productivity levels are disturbing construction firms' profit margins, affecting overall organizational effectiveness. There are a number of considerations that lead to poor productivity on construction projects due to inadequate planning and scheduling, lack of collaboration and communication between stakeholders on the project, idle time wasted by having to wait on materials and supplies due to be delivered or for prior work to be completed. Fragmentation in the industry from working in silos is a major contributor to the lack of improvement in productivity levels over the year. The construction industry as a whole is disgracefully slow at adopting new technologies, with countless studies and surveys over the years have shown that business owners continue to underinvest in technology. And despite their acknowledgement of many benefits that these technologies can provide to running their business and managing construction projects. For instance, business information modeling, telematics, mobile devices, and software applications have all been used in construction industry for a number of years. As with every economic sector, technology will play a huge role in improving construction productivity. Specifically, there are innovations in areas as diverse as artificial intelligence, 3D printing, virtual and augmented reality, cloud computing, IoT, which is the Internet of Things, drones and robots, lasers and radar technology, and various technologies of the fourth industrial revolution that can make for faster, less mistake-ridden construction. However, there is a necessity for informal or formal power, or more so a demand for a strategic business partner within construction organizations to successfully integrate and implement the use of these current and new emerging technologies within the Industrial Revolution to improve employee productiveness and organizational effectiveness within construction firms. This interdisciplinary research will then process integration of design and construction activity needs, which are primarily focused in the areas of integration involving various functions of planning, design, procurement, and construction technologies. This paper, however, will produce common ground for collaboration towards successfully implementing construction technologies by integrating concepts and theories between human resource development and organizational leadership perspectives, with aim towards directing construction firms to lean towards technologies and how to fully leverage from such trends. Interdisciplinary approach can be best evaluated within this research. As more and more construction projects become more complex, there is a need for collaboration between multiple perspectives, including all stakeholders, when it comes down to adopting and implementing technologies, and aims to future implement technologies and growth. However, I have produced common ground within this research paper between human resource development and organizational leadership that creates end-to-end collaboration within these new emerging technologies. Some HR insights, however, is human resources the most valuable asset within the construction industry, and intersecting human resources role and function, business strategies, and proper leadership/management within construction organizations can gain value through increased skills, productivity, autonomy, overall effectiveness, contribution, and cost conscious. Human resource systems are implemented in many organizations. However, there's a lack of proper technology implementations within construction commerce. To narrow the focus and sharpen the focus of the research question, integrative insights through human resource development practices, concepts, assumptions, theories, methods, and data can focus on how the problem can be resolved within construction organizations by implementing HR and org leadership to successfully implement such technologies. Let's see here. To understand and comprehend the use of artificial intelligence robots within construction are on the rise, and it is crucial for HR managers to understand and comprehend the machines that will likely increase productivity and employee engagement, implement agile business strategies and plans aligned with organization goals and missions to successfully gain employee productivity and engagement through the use of AI, robotics, cloud transfers within their rising issue of lack employee engagement and productivity in terms of construction, business, and analytics. However, with the discipline of organizational leadership is a field of business management that specifically relate to meeting the challenges and goals brought by both individual and employees or an organization as a whole. Organizational leaders often rise to top administrative and executive positions for their organization because of their abilities to manage and present while looking toward the future. Organizational leadership means understanding both strengths and weaknesses of the company's workforce, business planning day-to-day operations. Organizational leaders use their skills and knowledge to manage and strengthen the components of an organization by implementing change, uh, confronting problems, and creating a positive and productive workplace. To benefit from IT included reengineering processes. Design and construction organizations should reconsider their organizational structure, management, organizational roles, and business strategy. Design and construction professionals must realize that IT may change competitive climates, organizational rules, and industry norms. Top management support for training, development, encouragement for creativity and innovation, and the creation of autonomous and flexible work environment are essential elements for successfully implementing technologies. Let's see here. However, I found sequential or end-to-end collaboration between these two disciplines of human resource development or leadership, these two could help uh, construction organizations implement these arising technologies as it will change the workforce, and there needs to be strategic planning when construction firms look to fully digitalizing their construction norms. Through the use of org leadership insights, a leadership mindset to these innovative technologies composed of three challenges, which is one, ensure benefits are distributed fairly; two, manage the external externalities and make sure these technologies are human-led and human-centered. Through quantitative and qualitative research, I've found that organizational leadership can play a numerous role in the process of digitalization of construction firms. The personal manager has a pivotal role in this, and if changes have been implemented, it is to be expected that they will be reflected in the role and responsibilities of their personnel and other managers, as well as having more far reaching effects in organizational management. HR functions connected with proper leadership/management with the organization, business goals, and missions is the design of implementation of a set internally consistent practices that ensure an organization's human capital and contributes to achievement of its business objectives. Leadership is essential for enacting and implementing an innovative organizational strategy and structure, promoting organizational learning and motivating teams' visions towards innovation. Therefore, leadership has been regarded as one of the most important factors in determining the degree into which employees strive for innovation. Transformational leadership is likely to have a strong positive impact on innovation performance through knowledge sharing. Our findings ensure a better understanding of the role of leadership, knowledge management, and social capital in the innovation process of construction projects. This quote from Impact of Leadership on Project-Based Organizational Innovation Performance can be valued to why it is crucial for construction firms to provide a vast amount of leadership when looking to use these such technologies to business norms. Through these interdisciplinary insights from HR and org leadership, can, however, give insights to construction organizations and firms to lean towards such practices when looking to implement innovative technologies. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is characterized by smart manufacturing, implementation of cyber physical systems for production, embedded actuators and sensors, networks of microcomputers, and linking machines to value chain. It further imitates the digital enhancement and re-engineering of products. It also is characterized by highly differentiated, customized products and coordinated combination of products and services, and also value-added services with the actual product or service. With the construction sector with a low productivity levels, it is crucial for construction firms to look towards innovative technologies to help productivity levels and sustainability. All these challenges require continuous innovation and learning within construction firms, which is dependent on people's enterprises' capabilities. Appropriate management approaches can play a vital role in the development of dynamic capabilities and effective learning and innovation climate. It is crucial for construction organizations to undergo proper implementation when looking to include these technologies in business norms. This paper aims at offering a viewpoint on best suitable technologies and management practices which can promote the climate of innovation and learning in the organization, and hence to facilitate the construction business to match the pace of Industry 4.0 to increase production levels and sustainability. This paper is one of the opening efforts to draw the attention towards the important role of integration of technologies and why leaning towards HR and org leadership can lead to proper implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies.